Tatlong magagandang investments that will make money work hard for you. And you won't believe kung ano ang number 1. Number 3, treasury bills. This type of investment will give you a guarantee of 4% interest every single year. Just go to any government-related banks and mag-inquire ka about treasury bills. Number 2, Pag-ibig MP2 Fund. This type of investment can give you a potential of 6% interest every single year or even better. So, just go to any Pag-ibig office and mag-inquire ka about MP2. Number 1, the stock market. For a minimum of 1,000 pesos, ay makakapag-umpisa ka ng bumili ng shares of stocks in the Philippines' largest corporations, katulad na lang nila SM, Ayala, Jollibee, BDO, and many other companies, which can give you a minimum of 12% interest or even better every single year. Kapatid, now that you know, ano ba ang favorite investment mo? Comment mo naman sa baba, and I will see you on my next video.